Checking your brakes. Brakes are an essential part of bike safety, so you should make sure they work before every ride. A little history. Early bikes didn't have handbrakes. The first handbrakes were invented in the early 1800s. This innovation made bikes more accessible to less reckless riders. So, how do you check to make sure your brakes are working properly? Roll the bike backwards and forwards, squeezing one brake lever at a time and making sure that each brake lever makes the wheels stop. Sometimes the back wheel skids and doesn't feel like it's stopping. Take a closer look as you squeeze the brakes. Check and see if the brake pads are worn out. Make sure that both pads make contact with the rim of your wheel and that they are well situated, not hanging over the rim. Some brakes have a quick-release lever that loosens the brakes to make it easier to remove your wheels. Make sure the quick release is engaged so that your brakes are tight.